Hello friends, welcome to our channel GK Earth, where we challenge your brain with some exciting general knowledge questions. Today we will explore 25 multiple choice general knowledge questions that will challenge your mind and spark your curiosity across a variety of topics. Are you ready? Let's start. Question number 1. The Dronacharya Award is given to which of the following? Option A, coaches, B, sportsman, C, empire, and D, sports editors. The correct answer is coaches. The Dronacharya Award, officially known as Dronacharya Award for outstanding coaches in sports and games, is sports coaching honor of Republic of India. Question number 2. Which city is known as Eternal City? Option A, Athens, B, Paris, C, Cairo, and D, Rome. The correct answer is Rome. Rome is often referred to as a city of seven hills due to its geographic location and also as an eternal city. Rome is generally considered to be the cradle of Western civilization and Western Christian culture and the center of Catholic Church. Question number 3. Where are the eucalyptus trees found in abundance? A, Mizo Hills, B, Naga Hills, C, Nilgiri Hills, and D, Manipur Hills. The correct answer is Nilgiri Hills. Eucalyptus trees are found in abundance in the Nilgiri Hills. The Nilgiri Hills are located in the Western Ghat of India, spanning across the state of Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and Kerala. Question number 4. The male of which species gives the birth to its youngs? A, seahorse, B, clownfish, C, frog, and D, octopus. The correct answer is seahorse. Seahorses and their close relative sea dragons are the only species in which the male get pregnant and give birth. The female seahorse deposits her egg into the male pouch. Question number 5. Which country has the largest number of UNESCO World Heritage Sites? A, Germany, B, Italy, C, Spain, and D, China. The correct answer is Italy. Question number 6. Which of the following country developed the world's first graphene electronic paper? Option A, China, B, Japan, C, India, and D, United States. The correct answer is China. The graphene electronic paper is a new material that can be used to make flexible, bright and high-intensity electronic displays for e-readers and other devices. Graphene is a strong, lightweight metal that can conduct electricity and heat. Question number 7. India is the largest producer and consumer of option A, tea, option B, paddy, C, coffee, and D, sugar. The correct answer is tea. India is the largest producer and consumer of tea in the world, account for 28% of the world production and 15% of the world trade. Question number 8. Which state of India is leading in solar energy generation? Option A, Gujarat, B, Haryana, C, Uttar Pradesh, and D, Rajasthan. The correct answer is Rajasthan. Rajasthan has the highest solar power capacity in India with approximately 30 gigawatt of installed renewable energy capacity. Question number 9. Which one of the following region of India is associated with pine forest? A, Rohilkhand, B, Uttarakhand, C, Bundelkhand, and D, Jharkhand. The correct answer is Uttarakhand. The pine forests are also found in other Indian states including Sikkim, Himachal Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir. The Himalaya subtropical pine forests are large coniferous forests that stretch over a distance of 3000 km in lower Himalayas. The Chir pine is very useful commercial tree found in these forests. Question number 10. Which country emerged as the most powerful continental state after the fall of Napoleon? Option A Russia, B Britain, C Italy and D Prussia. The correct answer is Russia. Russia became one of the most powerful European empire after fall of Napoleon. Russia expanded its territory to the west, south and east. By the end of 19th century, Russia empire covered almost 1/6 of the Earth's landmass. Question number 11. The involvement of which one of the following is essential in the control of blood sugar? A. Adrenal, B. Pancreas, C. Parathyroid and D. Spleen. The correct answer is pancreas. Question number 12. On which continent is Greece located? Option A China, B Africa, C Northern America and D Europe. The correct answer is Europe. Greece, officially the Hellenic Republic, is a country in Southeast Europe located on the southern tip of Balkan Peninsula. Greece shares land border with Albania to the northwest, North Macedonia and Bulgaria to the north and Turkey to the east. Question number 13. Which among the following elements increases the absorption of water and calcium in plants? A. Boron, B. Copper, C. Manganese and D. Potassium. The correct answer is boron. Question number 14. Indira Gandhi Atomic Research Center is located at which place? A. Maharashtra, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Tamil Nadu and D. Karnataka. The correct answer is Tamil Nadu. Question number 15. Africa's largest tropical rain forest is Salogna National Park is located in A. Nigeria, B. Kenya, C. South Africa and D. DR Congo. The correct answer is DR Congo. Salogna National Park is Africa's largest tropical rainforest reserve situated at the heart of central basin of Congo River. The park is very isolated and assembled only by water. It is Africa's largest tropical rainforest reserve covering about 36,000 km. Question number 16. Which of the following countries has highest percentage of land under cultivation? Option A USA, B China, C India and D Canada. The correct answer is India. The agricultural land in India was 60.53% of land area in 2009, according to a World Bank report published in 2010. Question number 17. The layer of atmosphere in which radio wave are reflected back is called? A. Troposphere, B. Stratosphere, C. Exosphere and D. Ionosphere. The correct answer is ionosphere. The radio waves are reflected back to Earth in the ionosphere, which is an electrically charged layer of upper atmosphere. This process is used to communicate beyond the horizon at intercontinental distance, mostly in the shortwave frequency bands. Question number 18. Which fruit is known as the king of fruit due to its strong odor and large size? A. Mango, B. Pineapple, C. Papaya and D. Durian. The correct answer is durian. The Southeast Asia plant durian has been called the king of fruit, but like a mermaid, it sharply divides opinion between those who love taste of its custard-like pulp and those repelled by its putrid smell. Question number 19. Where was the first session of the Indian National Congress held? A. Lucknow, B. Bombay, C. Calcutta, and D. Madras. The correct answer is Bombay. Subsequently, the first session of Indian National Congress held in Bombay from 28 to 31st December 1885 at Gokul Das Tejpal Sanskrit College. Question number 20. Which of the following is not related with the game of hockey? Option A. Hat-trick, B. Try-breaker, C. Follow-on, and D. Half-volley. The correct answer, try-breaker. Question number 21. Which marine animal has the most complex nervous system? Option A. Dolphin, B. Whale, C. Squid, and D. Octopus. The correct answer is octopus. Question number 22. Who established the Sarda Sadan School of Indian Widow in Colony India? A. Govind Ranade, B. Sarojini Naidu, C. Dayanand Saraswati, and D. Pandita Ramabai. The correct answer, Pandita Ramabai. On 11th March 1889, the Indian activist known as Pandita Ramabai opened her Sarda Sadan, a school for Indian widow in Chowpatty, an area of Mumbai which was then under the British Raj known as Bombay. The school was originally called the Home for Learning. Question number 23. Where is the largest Buddhist monastery in India located? A. Sarnath, Uttar Pradesh, B. Tawang, Arunachal Pradesh, C. Dharamshala, Himachal Pradesh, and D. Gangtok, Sikkim. The correct answer is Tawang, Arunachal Pradesh. Tawang is a home to largest Buddhist monastery in India known as Tawang Monastery. Tawang Monastery is not only a religion center but also popular tourist attraction, drawing visitors from all over the world. Question number 24. Between which two countries was the 100-year war fought? A. Italy and Carthage, B. England and Germany, C. France and England, and D. Spain and France. The correct answer is France and England. This conflict lasted from 1337 to 1453 and was primarily fought over a traditional dispute and the succession to the French throne. It was a series of the conflict and battle that involved both military engagement and period of truce and negotiation. Ultimately, it is the rested and significant political, social, and economic changes in both countries. Question number 25. What is the primary pigment responsible for the red color of tomato and strawberry? A. Chlorophyll, B. Anthocyanin, C. Lycopene, and D. Beta carotene. The correct answer is lycopene. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy the video, please like, share, and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our latest videos.